When you're working with click-together wall panels, the question people ask me all the time is like, hey Mike, is it easy to see the joints? Is it not easy to see the joints? And the politically correct answer is yes, and kind of yes, depending on the pattern. So what I want to do today is literally show you some patterns for you to get a sense of, can you find where they're clicked together or not? So this first one here is called black marble, and I am going to argue that if you came here and you were touching this with me, you would have no idea where one begins and one ends. But I'm going to give you the secret. I'm going to show you. So with this one, this grout joint right here is actually on the end of the panel that goes from this point to there. I would argue that people who see this have no doggone idea whatsoever where one panel begins and one ends. So with this, I'd give it the check mark of you do not know where one begins and one ends. Now let's go over to another one. This pattern here is the white subway tile. White subway tile is very popular, right? A lot of people still like that modern farmhouse look. And when you have a click together system where these panels are 2 foot wide, you are going to be seaming. This is a running bond pattern like you see in brick. So over here is literally where one panel stopped and another one began. Now, when you're further away, you'll see from the standpoint of your eyes, you will not notice this. If you came right up on it, you would see a little bit of that variation. Now, to minimize the warrior look of that, what we generally do is use matte finish walls, because if they're glossy, it tends to more pop out where you would see the fact, let's say if this was subway tile, which it is, you would notice it more if it was a glossy panel. That's why we've chosen in this one to go with a matte finish look with the subway tile. So let's go over here. And I know there's some pictures, and this is a glass block, and it shows how you trim out a window. But over here, just like the black marble over there, this is a silver gray marble. I am going to tell you, there it is seamed right here, it is seamed right here, and then over here, this is actually white marble. We can seam the two together. If you came up on this, or if you went right up to this, you are not going to know where one begins and one ends. So usually with these stack bond patterns, you can't tell which is which. I mean, it is really very tight and not noticeable. But let's go look at some other patterns. Over here, these are 2 foot panels, and they have a different look. It's a very industrial kind of look. You'll even see some roughness in the pattern. But over here, while you don't really see the seam, because of the color variation, you will notice, oh, this is kind of a pattern here. This is another panel here. So again, do you see the seam? I'd argue you don't, and you don't feel the seam. But in this particular charcoal gray pattern, there is some variation. So it's just something to note over here. Let's go take a look at another one, and I am going to tell you, you are not going to see the seam. This one's called Avalon Pine. Again, this panel goes from here to the end of here. Once again, if you see the seam, if you're right up on it like I am, I'm going to tell you, you don't know where that seam is at. Avalon Pine. So let's take a look at some other ones in the back. This one here is called crack cement. This is literally what my wife and I used in our own, and it is very hard to notice. There's a panel, another one begins here. Because the nature of this it's sort of an earth tone and gray pattern, it's really very difficult. It's more of an industrial look. I love this thing. It's kind of more of a contemporary vibe. Over here, because it's a stack bond again, you cannot tell that, this is actually a panel. This is a panel that was cut in the back. Again, very, very difficult to tell. So let's show you one over here on the TV wall. It's a pattern called Abbey Shale. Once again, when you have this stack bond matte finish, I dare you to tell me where one starts and one begins. I can tell you, because I know the size of the pattern. They're 2 foot panels. This is a 24 by 16 look. Again, there's one here, one over there, but it's hard to see it, right? Let's show you a few more in the last room here. We're going to go through some ones that are not this product, but let's go over here. The #1 selling pattern is called Bianco marble. Again, because this is a stack bond, this looks like just white, kind of like a very, to me, very rich looking. This pattern called Black Hex, surprisingly, This also has a running bond, meaning it's going from one to another. To me, it's difficult to see where that, here it is. I had to look. But if you look really close, you can kind of make it up as you're right on top of it, but it's hard to make it out. So let's go in the last room to show you some more patterns. This one does really well for us. It's called 3D Textured Black Slate. It's really more of a dark gray. But with this one, the joint is actually between the panels because it has a wider grout joint. If you get all the way up on it, you'll be able to see that faint line. If she comes back, there's no way you really can tell what this is. This process was developed by Fibo Systems, the Norwegian manufacturer, the only ones in the world who have the ability to do these grout joints in these high pressure laminate panels that have a lifetime guarantee. So that's a good thing. Even though it's a groutless pattern, meaning there's no tile look, it is really hard to see where one panel begins and ends, and it's very smooth. I like it. It's just kind of a more relaxed feel. This one, again, with this vertical stacked smoky blue subway, these are 3-inch tiles, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is actually where the other panel begins. I dare you to know where that's at. If I didn't count it, I wouldn't know it by looking at this wall. Over here, this pattern is called Moonstone. There's just a joint right on the edge, so that's where I know it's at, but again, hard to know. The one that to me shows where the pattern is maybe the most in our line is this 45-degree herringbone. It's still very popular, but I would say that this one does show more of where that grout joint is, far more than others, but it's still very popular. But we always want somebody to know, with whatever you choose, we want you to really know, can I see that? Can't I see that? So we are always willing to send, we call them click together samples. They're just they look like little puzzle pieces, but they kind of give you a feeling of that. Because, we know you're making an investment in your home, and we want you to have something that you really know exactly how that's going to look. Lastly, but not least, I'll just show you over here. This is one that is called Aberdeen brick. It's also pretty hard, even though it's running bond. I'll have to move that to the side a little bit. There is a joint here, but because it's matte finish and because of the color, it's really pretty hard to see. So if you say, can I see the grout joints? Can't I see the grout joints? Answer might be yes, no, maybe. It's really very hard. If it's stack bond, I don't know. To me, I don't see them. You might say, well, you have glasses, Mike, but really you won't see it. I would tell you to come here and take a look and tell me if I'm wrong. When it comes to running bond pattern, you'll see it more. Herringbone, you see it more, but it's very, very difficult. This product was developed 41 years ago by Fibo Systems. It interlocks together. There's a sealant between it. It's a very waterproof system. And what's been the beauty of it is they really have made it so tight when these things go together. It really does a phenomenal job of minimizing the joint, but there are some that do show it a little more. So if you have any questions, certainly you can contact us for free samples. You can go to innovatebuildingsolutions.com, go to the waterproof laminate wall panel page, or give us a call. Main number is 877-668-5888. My name's Mike Foti, but you don't have to deal with me. You can deal with people like a lot more normal than me at the company. You can talk to any of our team here. They'd be glad to help you, send samples. We want you to be as educated as possible on what's the best for you. Thanks so much for watching.